Multiple choice questions. 1. Which of the following is the major advantage of using a light microscope instead of an electron microscope? A. Superior resolving power. B. Observation of living matter. C. Constant depth of focus. D. Use of very thin sections. And the correct answer is B. Observation of living matter. Explanation. Light microscopes allow observation of living cells in real time, whereas electron microscopes require specimen preparation that typically kills the cells. 2. Some cellular organelles are bound by a single membrane, while other organelles have two membranes, envelopes, around them. Which one of the following is correct? Single membrane. A. Peroxisomes, lysosome. B. Chloroplast, lysosome. C. Nucleus, chloroplast. D. Nucleus, lysosome. Double membranes. Nucleus, chloroplast. Nucleus, peroxisomes. Lysosome, peroxisomes. Chloroplast, peroxisomes. And the correct answer is single membrane. A. Peroxisomes, lysosome. Double membranes. Nucleus, chloroplast. Explanation. Lysosomes and peroxisomes are surrounded by a single membrane, while the nucleus and chloroplasts are enveloped by two membranes for compartmentalization and regulation of substances. 3. Which of the following cell structures contains the highest concentration of RNA? A. Centriole. B. Lysosome. C. Chromosome. D. Nucleolus. And the correct answer is D. Nucleolus. Explanation. The nucleolus is the site of ribosomal RNA, rRNA, synthesis, leading to its high RNA concentration. 4. A tadpole's tail is gradually broken down during metamorphosis into an adult frog. Which organelle increases in number in the cells of the tail at this time? A. Centriole. C. Golgi complex. B. Endoplasmic reticulum. D. Lysosomes. And the correct answer is D. Lysosomes. Explanation. Lysosomes contain hydrolytic enzymes responsible for breaking down cellular components during apoptosis and tissue remodeling. 5. Which of the following organelles always contains DNA? A. Centriole. B. Golgi complex. C. Lysosome. D. Mitochondria. And the correct answer is D. Mitochondria. Explanation. Mitochondria have their own DNA, enabling them to synthesize some of their proteins independently. 6. Which distinguishes a prokaryotic cell from a eukaryotic cell? A. Prokaryotic cells have a cell wall and a nucleus. B. Prokaryotic cells have no membrane-bound organelles. C. Prokaryotic cells have a centriole. D. Prokaryotic cells have no ribosomes. And the correct answer is B. Prokaryotic cells have no membrane-bound organelles. Explanation. Prokaryotes lack organelles like the nucleus and mitochondria, which are enclosed by membranes in eukaryotic cells. 7. The elasticity of the plasma membrane demonstrates that it is made up in part of A. Lipids. B. Nucleic acids. C. Carbohydrates. D. Proteins. And the correct answer is A. Lipids. Explanation. The plasma membrane's fluidity and elasticity are due to its lipid bilayer, which allows flexibility in movement. 8. The cell wall of plant cell is different from that of prokaryotes in A. Both structure and chemical composition. B. Structure only. C. Chemical composition only. D. Number of layers only. And the correct answer is A. Both structure and chemical composition. Explanation. Plant cell walls are primarily made of cellulose, while prokaryotic cell walls are composed of peptidoglycan, differing in both structure and chemical makeup. 9. Which of the following are present in prokaryotic cells? A. Chloroplast. DNA, nuclear envelope. B. Chromosomes. Mitochondria, nuclear envelope. C. Cytoplasm, DNA, mitochondria. D. Cytoplasm, DNA, ribosome. And the correct answer is D. Cytoplasm, DNA, ribosome. Explanation: prokaryotic cells lack membrane-bound organelles but have cytoplasm, DNA, and ribosomes for protein synthesis. 10. Which of the following is present in all eukaryotic cells? A. Cell wall. C. Flagellum. B. Diploid nucleus. D. Membrane-bounded organelles. And the correct answer is D. Membrane-bound organelles. Explanation: all eukaryotic cells contain organelles like the nucleus, mitochondria, and endoplasmic reticulum, which are enclosed by membranes. 11. Which of the following would be more prominent in a secretory cell than non-secretory cell? A. Lysosome. B. Golgi complex. C. Mitochondrion. D. Ribosome. And the correct answer is B. Golgi complex. Explanation: secretory cells have a well-developed Golgi apparatus for processing and packaging proteins for secretion. 12. When a glycoprotein is being synthesized for secretion from a cell, which route is it most likely to take? A. Golgi complex RAR/SAR. B. RAR Golgi complex SAR. C. RAR/SAR Golgi complex. D. SAR Golgi complex RAR. And the correct answer is B. RAR Golgi complex SAR. Explanation: proteins are synthesized in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, processed in the Golgi complex, and further modified in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. 13. In what way do the various membranes of a eukaryotic cell differ? A. Phospholipids are found only in a certain membrane. B. Certain proteins are unique to each membrane. C. Only certain membranes of the cell are selectively permeable. D. Some membranes have hydrophobic surfaces exposed to the cytoplasm. And the correct answer is B. Certain proteins are unique to each membrane. Explanation: membranes have distinct proteins that determine their specific functions, such as transport or signaling. 14. Which of the following processes includes all others? A. Osmosis. B. Diffusion of a solute across a membrane. C. Facilitated diffusion. D. Passive transport. And the correct answer is D. Passive transport. Explanation: passive transport encompasses osmosis, simple diffusion, and facilitated diffusion, all of which do not require energy input. 15. Which of the following does not occur in mitosis? A. Condensation of the chromosomes. B. Replication of the DNA. C. Separation of sister chromatids. D. Spindle formation. And the correct answer is B. Replication of the DNA. Explanation: DNA replication occurs during the S phase of interphase, prior to mitosis. 16. Cell signaling is the ability of a cell to A. Receive signal from the environment. B. Transmit signal to other cells. C. Process signal within the cell. D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Explanation: cell signaling involves receiving, transmitting, and processing signals for coordinated cellular responses. 17. Which of the following stem cells are known as true stem cells? A. Totipotent cell. B. Germipotent cell. C. Non-potent cells. D. Pluripotent cells. And the correct answer is A. Totipotent cells. Explanation: totipotent cells can differentiate into all cell types, including extra-embryonic tissues, making them true stem cells. 18. The fundamental property of stem cells is it does not contain any structure which allows stem cells to perform specialized function. A. Nucleus. B. Cytoplasm. C. Tissue. D. DNA. And the correct answer is C. Tissue. Explanation: stem cells are undifferentiated and lack specialized tissues, enabling them to develop into various cell types. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.